So today we're making a lemon volcano experiment. I have my little assistant here and she's gonna help me.
No, I'm gonna do it.
All you need is a lemon, a plate to put your lemon on. You'll need a sharp knife for the adult to use to cut the lemon. You need a fork, a spoon, and some baking soda. So let's get started. First, the steps for the adults. You cut off the very tip of the lemon just so it could stand flat. So I'm gonna cut as close to the edge so you could see it's white here. That's what we want. We don't want to see the inside of the lemon so it won't leak out the bottom. You just cut a little bit and now it's flat on the bottom. And now I'm gonna cut the lemon in half. We're only gonna use half of it at a time. So you can do this experiment twice with one lemon. So now our lemon half is on our plate, standing up.
Hey, no, can I do this?
And then you take your fork. You can help me with this, okay? We're gonna mash up the inside and get that juice all ready and nice and juicy. So we twist our fork inside the lemon. You're gonna twist in each segment. Just twist it a little and that'll get it nice and juicy. So use a real ripe and juicy lemon to begin with. That'll make it go better. And then you just kind of twist your fork over and over all around, getting it nice and juicy. So that's what we're doing. I think it looks very juicy now. I think it's ready for you. So what are we gonna do next? Your turn. Get a spoonful of it's not sugar, it's baking soda. And I don't recommend your kids eating it. Yeah, get a spoonful of it. Okay, I'm gonna help you get it, okay? That's the perfect amount. Okay, now drop it on top of the lemon. And look what's happening. So it immediately starts to fizz, but it's not fizzing up too much. So we're gonna mash some of that baking soda into the lemon, mix it in with the juice with the fork, and then you could see it really starts to get going. It's really bubbling now. Okay, squish it some too, remember? And then you can squeeze the lemon, and that really gets the volcano moving. Yay, do you like your volcano?
Yeah.
It's nice and bubbly, and does it smell good?
Yeah, okay, you want my fingers?
Yes, so look how bubbly our volcano is. And you could continue moving it into there with your fork. You can add some more baking soda as you go. And squeezing it really helps it go too. And look, we have a volcano. It was so easy. You don't need very many ingredients and it's fun. We've done this 3 or 4 times already and she keeps wanting to do it over and over, right? Do you approve? Okay.